Downloading the Mr. C's Car Wash mobile app is really quite simple. You can find it on the App Store or Google Play depending on your mobile device. In your App Store, go to Search and type in Mr. C's Car Wash. You'll notice it's quite easy to find. Tap the Get button and that's it. Once the app is installed on your mobile device, go ahead and open it up. You'll be greeted with this screen. The first thing you'll need to do is create your account. To do that, tap the button that says Sign Up at the bottom. You'll then be prompted to enter your name, email address, and phone number. You'll also need to create a password that is at least 7 characters long. Once you've done all that, tap the Submit button, and you're in. One of the first things you'll notice when you open the app is the trademark Mr. C's car at the top. By showing your VIP card when you get your car washed, you'll earn points toward free rewards. Every time you wash, the car will move closer to the goal. For every 100 points you earn, you'll be rewarded with a free car wash. To earn points when you wash, simply tap the Redeem Washes button right here. This will open up a unique barcode which is tied directly to your account. Simply show this code to our cashier when they complete your transaction. It's that easy. Another cool feature of the Mr. C's Car Wash app is the ability to buy and send car washes right from your phone. In order to purchase car washes through the app, you must first link a credit card to your account. To do this, tap on this symbol in the top corner of the screen. This will pull up your account menu. From here, tap where it says Credit Card Information. The first thing you'll be asked is to select a location. Please select the car wash location you plan to frequent the most often. This is because any purchases you make will be processed through that location. Selecting a location does not mean that you can only go to that particular location. Your car washes and app will work the same at any of our Mr. C's car washes. Continue entering your credit card information and proceed to save it to your account. Now you're ready to buy car washes. By tapping on the Buy Washes button, you'll see every one of our car wash services available for purchase. Buying a wash couldn't be easier. Simply tap on the wash you'd like to purchase, tap again to confirm the transaction, and you're done. To see the washes you have purchased, tap the Available Washes button here. This will give you a list of all the car washes you own. To redeem one of these washes, simply tap the Redeem Wash button and your VIP card will appear. The washes you have purchased are securely linked to your account. Once our cashier scans your code, we can redeem any of your available washes in a snap. You can also send a wash to someone else. Here's how. Tap the Send Wash button here. Use this drop-down menu to select from the different available washes you have. Select the wash you'd like to send, and then select the method. You can send washes via email, text message, or both. The recipient does not need to have the app in order to redeem the car wash. Mr. C's Car Wash is now offering unlimited car washes for one low monthly price. You'll need to have first downloaded the app and linked a credit card in order to enroll. You will not be able to redeem both pre-purchased washes and an unlimited wash plan from the same account. If you already have purchased washes available in your inventory, we recommend either redeeming those washes or sending them to a friend or family member prior to enrolling in our Unlimited Club. To get started, simply tap the Manage Unlimited button located here. Next, press the Sign Up a New Vehicle button. You will now be prompted to enter the year, make, model, and license plate number of the vehicle you are registering. Next, you'll need to choose a payment option. By selecting Recurring, the credit card linked to your account will be charged the monthly price the day you enroll, as well as the same day of each preceding month automatically until you cancel your plan. By selecting the Unlimited Prepaid option, the card linked to your account will be charged for 12 months beginning the day of enrollment and will expire automatically in 1 year. After you've settled on a payment option, select the service in which you'd like to enroll your vehicle. The price will appear in the field below. Go ahead and tap Save to complete your enrollment. To redeem your unlimited plan service, simply pull up your VIP card by tapping the Redeem Wash button. Once the cashier scans your barcode, any vehicles you have enrolled in our limited plan will appear on our POS screen, along with the details of your plan.